Hello everyone, today we'll be discussing a new question, that's the reverse linked list. Within that, we have to reverse a linked list, basically converting the first element to its last position and the last one to its first position. In that fashion, we have to make the linked list. So, how we'll be proceeding with that? So, I'll be explaining you guys with an example one. So we'll be taking in a current element that points to the first, that is a head part, that is the 1. So what would be the previous of 1? Previous of 1 would be the null, and what would be the next of 1? That is 2. So we'll be making the current of previous, that is 2, is equals to the null, basically the current of previous. So we have to just make this thing equal. If we'll do that in that fashion, and the current is equal to current of next, or it should point to the address of the next pointer. Basically we are moving the 2 to previous of 1, or making it before the 1. Okay, so in order to in that fashion only we are doing till 5. So if we'll do like that, then it will get reversed and 1 will get at the end. We'll generate a while loop. Within that, we'll write current not equals to null, so it will point to the next part and update the current as the address of the next node. Okay, so now let's see the code. So list node star current. So what is current? Current is our head. Okay, and list node star previous. What is previous? Previous of 1 is what? Previous of 1 is null, so it point to the null pointer. Now we'll generate a while loop that signifies current not equal to null. Current is what? 1. It will iterate in that fashion. What we are doing, we are converting the previous of the current of next is equal to the previous. Okay, so current not equal to null. Okay, now what first thing? First we'll create the address. For address notation, we'll create a next that store the address of the next pointer. Okay, so next would be what? Next would be current of next that store the address. Okay, now current is equal to current of next is equal to what? Previous. As I have earlier mentioned as well multiple times, previous is equals to what? Previous is equal to the current. It means it relies now in the current position now. So when we replace the 2 to previous of 1, that means it's now on the position of 1 only. Okay, now current would be what? Current would be next. It should point so that it will come again and again till it get reversed fully, and at the end what we'll be doing, we'll be returning the current. Let's see. Yeah, there is some issue. I think something we have missed. Current is being done. Current of next previous. Okay, current of next is equal to previous. Current previous is equal to current is equal to next. Oh, we have to return the previous now. We have to return the previous itself, then only we'll get the reverse. No, yeah, that's my mistake. Yeah, thank you.